Hi, this is Ezhilarasi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, KSR College of Arts and Science for Women. Introduction to Python and Numerical Methods. What is Python? Python is a high-level, easy-to-read programming language used for building websites, software, automation, data analysis, machine learning, and more. It is known for its clear syntax and readability, making it a great language for beginners and professionals alike. Python Basics. Python Basics deals with the topic variables and data types, control structures, list tuples and dictionaries, basic syntax and operations, code structure and indentation. Functions and modules in Python. Functions in Python is a block of reusable code that performs a specific task. It helps keep your code organized and avoids repetition. Modules in Python. A module is a file containing Python code function, variables or classes that can be imported and reused in other programs. Mathematical module and NumPy. In Python, mathematical modules are built-in or external libraries that provide a wide range of mathematical functions and tools. Here is a list of some important mathematical modules. Math module, mainly used for basic math functions, square root, trig, etc. Then C math, it's a complex number math module. Then statistics is a average, median and module and mode and division. Random number of generation. NumPy is mainly used for numerical computing and arrays. Matplotlib visualization. Matplotlib.py plot is a module in the Matplotlib library used for creating visualizations like line chart, bar chart, pie chart and more. It works similarly to drawing with commands like in a drawing program. Then it deals with line plot, bar chart, pie chart, scatter plot, histogram. Its importing type is import matplotlib.py plot as PLT. It's a header files of matplotlib. Variable scoping. Variable scoping refers to where a variable can be accessed or modified in your code. Python follows the LEGB rule for scope resolution. LGB rules, its scope type is local, E is enclosing and G is a global and B is built-in. Local variable is only used in the inside the current function. Enclosing variables is used outside functions also. Global variable is top level of script or module. It is defined outside all the functions. Built-in variable is Python built-in scope like functions like print, length, etc. Gauss elimination method is an algorithm to solve systems for linear equation by converting them into row echelon form and then using back substitutions. Steps involved in Gauss elimination. Step 1 is write a augmented matrix. Step 2, use rows operation to convert it into a upper triangle form. You can do row swapping, multiply a row by a number, add, subtract rows. Step 3 is back substitution. LU decomposition breaks a square matrix A into a product of two matrices. A, its a formula is A equal to LU, where L is a lower triangle matrices and U is an upper triangle matrices. Solving a systems using LU. To solve AX equal to B using LU, it's decompose A equal to LU, forward solve LY equal to B and back substitute UX equal to Y. Special matrices. These are special type of matrices often used to optimize storage and computations when solving systems of linear equation, especially large systems in engineering and scientific computing. Symmetric matrices. A symmetric matrix is a square matrix Banded matrix. A banded matrix has no non-zero elements only around the main diagonals. Everything else is zero. Symmetric banded matrices. A matrix that is both symmetric and banded. Matrix inversion. Iterative methods. In linear algebra, matrix inversion is used to solve systems of linear equation, perform transformations and more. Conditions for inverse. Matrix must be square. Determine the matrix is non-singular. Common matrix inverse method. Gauss-Jordan elimination, adjoint method, LU decomposition method, Cholesky decomposition, using single value decomposition. Roots of equation. The roots of an equation are the values of the variable that makes the equation true. It's linear equation, quadratic equation, cubic and higher degree equations. There are some equations, examples for the roots of equations. Bisections method. Bisection method is a numerical method to find root of a real valued function. It based on the intermediate value theorem, which states if a continuous function changes sign over an interval, then there is at least one root in that interval. There is the steps of the bisection methods. Linear interpolation method. Linear interpolation is a method of estimating the value of function between two known values by assuming the function changes linearly between those points. This is an example of Python code examples. Thank you.